By now, we are largely expecting Samsung to jump the gun during the September 23rd Unpacked event and introduce a successor to the S10 Lite and the Note 10 Lite concept models of the last year, with so-called the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition or FE. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is just days away from its official unveiling. The leaks are all out in full force. Topping off 2 months worth of early leaks are several real-life images of the Galaxy S20 FE that just appeared on Twitter. Just right after that, here is the video impression on the Galaxy S20 FE. The video by Jimmy Is Promo confirms Samsung equipped its upcoming smartphone with a flat display. In effect, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has noticeably thicker bezels relative to the original Galaxy S20 series. The phone will have 6.5-inch 120Hz display, glass-tick back, IP68 water dust resistant, and no headphone jack. It will also come with One UI 2.5 based on Android 10. He also showed us a good size comparison between the standard S20, S20 FE, and S20 Ultra. I just found the bezel seems to be a little bit too much, even if it is a flat screen phone. But anyway, you will find a 32-megapixel selfie camera inside a slightly smaller size centered punch hole. The triple camera setup on the back of the smartphone is said to consist of a 12-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel wide-angle lens, and a 3x telephoto unit. It will also feature 30x hybrid zoom, 10x digital zoom on top of that 3x optical zoom. Rumors saying it will have a 15-watt fast charging. Even the low-end Galaxy M series smartphone supports 25-watt fast charging. So there is that. The 5G model of the smartphone that Jimmy is showing is having a Snapdragon 865 and it is powered by a 4500 mAh battery. This phone also comes with wireless charging capabilities as well as reverse wireless charging. He also mentioned that this phone might come in 8 plus 256GB variant apart from the 6 128GB he is showing. Did I mention that this blue and black gradient looks really cool? Now, many different reports are saying that the Galaxy S20 FE might sold for $699 to $749 depending on the storage variants. Finally, the Galaxy S20 FE Unpacked promo also showing us Samsung will continue its celebrity collaboration with BTS. Now the big question, the best thing about the Galaxy S10 Lite, which was one of the most confusing devices in Samsung's lineup, was that it was powered by Snapdragon chip worldwide. It wasn't a full-blown flagship, but for anyone who wanted a high-end Galaxy phone with Snapdragon 855, the Galaxy S10 Lite was the perfect choice. But with the S20 FE, Samsung isn't really taking the same approach. And that makes me wonder, is this phone really going to be for fans if it includes the most criticized processor of this year probably? Because the upcoming spin-off isn't really expected to offer anything unique over the Galaxy S20 models, except maybe a flat display and a cheaper price tag. Anyway, the Galaxy Z Flip 5G is coming in Mystic White. Ishan Agarwal has today published a bunch of marketing images that shows off the gorgeous Mystic White Galaxy Z Flip 5G. The variant should be first available in South Korea before heading to European markets in near future. Despite the color change, pricing and specifications should remain completely unchanged. That means the customer can expect to find Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus coupled with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and that's about it. So if you're planning on buying the Galaxy Z Flip, you should wait a bit and then decide because it really looks gorgeous. Now, if you want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.